Hi everyone. We're going to express 6 to the power of x using a and b. And that's given that we have a equals 2 to the power of x plus 1 and b equals 3x minus, or 3 to the power of x minus 1. All right. Since we're going to have to use a and b, and we're given a, we have a 2 and a 3 here. Let's go ahead and write our 6 to the power of x equals 2 times 3 to the power of x. That's going to give us our 2 and 3 here, and we'll look at that later. Okay, let's look at our a. We have a equals 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of 1. I just rewrote this as an exponent, right? Because if you do 2, when you have the same base, you just add these up. All right. So that means I can write this as 2 to the power of x equals a divided by 2 if I'm taking each of these terms and dividing by 2. So that's what I have there. All right. Now let's look at the b. So we have b equals 3 to the power of x minus 1. That means I can write this as 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of negative 1. All right, and this equals b. Therefore, this 3 to the power of negative 1, you can either, let's just write it 3 to the power of x. 3 to the power of negative 1 equals 1/3. So we can just divide this by 3 equals b. Or solving for 3 to the power of x, that means 3 to the power of x equals 3b. All right. Now, we have this right here that we wrote out. Now, if we have 6 to the power of x, this means this equals this x here, you can put with both of these pieces here. So we can write this 2 to the power of x times 3 to the power of x. So using substitution, we're going to get this equals my 2 to the power of x is a divided by 2, and my 3 to the power of x is going to be 3b. So that's going to equal 3ab divided by 2. And that equals 6 to the power of x. If you want, you could write this as 3/2 ab. Either one, all of these are fine right here. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.